Hi friends, I am Nawiri bringing you hairstyles, vlogs and creative ideas every week. Subscribe, let's make life colorful together. Hi beautiful people, it's me again, Nawiri meaning prosperity in Swahili language. So today I'm going to make traditional vegetables, some eggs and some ugali. So stay with me, hit like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you enjoy spending time with me doing this video. So I'll start by preparing my mboga. Mboga is vegetable in Swahili. In our language, this mboga is called dodo. And it was late at night, so I had no time. That's why you see I'm just chopping the mbogas. Yeah. So I continued preparing my onions so that I cut them. Meanwhile, I don't know how you call these vegetables in your language. So I cut my onions there. Next, I cut my tomatoes, and there was some sugar cane. You know, us Luyas, sugar cane, we really eat a lot. I started washing my vegetables to remove any sand, dust, anything, because most of the traditional vegetables are full of sand. So I immersed in a full bucket of water to ensure that is done. Actually, in our tradition, we cook this kind of vegetable in a cooking pot. In Luya, we call it nyungu. So my fire was on. I fried the vegetables direct because I don't have a pot. But there are so many ways you can make these vegetables your way. Then my 3 eggs there, was beating them to be uniform and to make some, is it called omelette? I don't know the difference between an omelette and mayai ya nyanya, mayai ya omelette, I don't know. So I fried onions, tomatoes, and then added my eggs inside. So I don't know that's fried eggs or omelette, or I don't know. You can help me by commenting on this video. So there I was trying to make my tomatoes to be like a paste. Okay, so I decided to just cook this meal because I had missed my home, my village home. So I brought the village to the town. You understand? If you know, you know. Sometimes you stay in town and just wonder if you'll eat masiebebe again. Masiebebe is pumpkin leaves. We call it masiebebe. So my vegetable had boiled. So I was trying to press it down using my wooden spoon. In Swahili ni mwiko, tunafinya finya ndo ikue soft. For the mboga to uniformly cook. Okay? Yes. It's a process but not that long. Because mchicha in Swahili, dodo in I don't know which tribe. Is it Luya? I think it's Luya tribe. And then it doesn't take long time to cook. So you fry and make sure that all the water is has dried up. And then later on, we're gonna add some milk to just bring the nice taste. Okay, you can mix this vegetable, the dodo, you can mix it with mkunde, that is cowpeas, or you can mix with managu. If your managu is bitter, the bitter herbs, and you mix it with the dodo. I don't know what dodo is. It amaranthus? Yes, amaranthus is the scientific name of dodo. So you can mix it. It also blends very well. You can mix it with other meals. Some people eat this vegetable, the amaranthus, with sweet potatoes. I don't know which tribe is that. Is it Ugandans, the Ugandans, or the Meros? I'm not sure. So my eggs were already looking delicious, delicioso. So my eggs were steaming hot. So I decided to add some pieces of chicken that had remained previously on the previous day. Luyas, we eat chicken together with the eggs. Yani unakula kuku na mayai yake. So mixing. I don't know how I'll call the meal. Kuku mayai recipe, right? So I put my water for ugali. In Luya we have a specific sufuria or cooking pot for ugali. There is that one pot that your mom or your grandmother would use because it's scientifically designed for the ugali. So here I was cutting some garlic to add in my mboga before I add in some milk just to elevate the taste. But in Luya community we don't add spices in the traditional vegetable. Most of you would agree with me because it was just boiling with salt, add milk, full stop, no oil, nothing. So that's it. I'm frying my garlic so that I add in some salt. So far so good. I think the house is smelling good. It's smelling good. So I'll add my vegetable. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3. This thing is delicious. So this thing is delicious. Anyone can cook now. Anyone can cook. Stop eating lots of processed foods. Try traditional meals. Wherever you live, try traditional meals now. I beg. Ha! So there. So I come in with my milk egg, my miliche, milk. And what I believe is that anyone can cook. Even if you can cook just with 1 ingredient or 2 ingredients, you are a cook, you are a chef, darling. So in this video, I'm inspiring people in my vlog, not just in this video, but in my whole vlog. I'm inspiring people that you can do multiple tasks at the same time. You can cook, you can plate. Everyone has a skill. And in fact, you have different skills. It's just that you have not put passion in it. If you put passion in the cooking and you don't know how to cook, you will learn how to cook. If you put passion in athletic, is it athletic or athletic? you will run. If you put passion in plaiting your hair, you will plait. No one, you are not limited, darling. You're not limited. So I was cooking my ugali. Yes. In fact, we were taught to cook ugali at the age of, was it at the age of 7 or 8? Tulikuwa tushajua kupika ugali. Yes. So do not be limited. You can do anything. So my ugali was, is it steaming? Simmering. English is not Englishing. Okay, simmering. Lord have mercy. So my ugali is ready, and this is how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.